Hello, my name is Sahil Dhar. My roll number is 20N830025, and this is my assignment for week 5 of DIY. In this, we were told we have to use a servo motor. So basically, what I've done here is that I've taken my previous week's project, which is basically detecting light from the surroundings and switching on an LED once it drops past a certain thing so that we don't manually have to do it, and just adding a servo motor to it. So basically, if the light falls below a certain amount, say it's in the evening and it falls below a certain amount, the LED comes on. And let's say if it's positioned behind my workspace, the servo motor moves like the LED to above my workspace. So that's what I've done here. Here's the code. It's quite simple. So initially it starts at low. I've taken the light variable as just light, and it's on analog pin O, AO, A0, and then so when the light drops below 50, it will set the pin, which is the LED, to high, and it rotate the thing 90 degrees, and so at rest stays at 30 degrees. I'll do the simulation. We can see that it's at 90 degrees because when we look at the photoresistor, the light is minimal. So once if I increase it, so basically during the day it'd be something like this. It's maxed out and it's at rest. Like if the LED is over here and this is where I'm doing my work. So and then slowly in the evening it drops, and then after a certain point it switches on, and then boom, the light switches on and it's here. We could also add intermediate steps, or to control the servo motor we could just use the potentiometer, but since it was done already on the video, I didn't add it to my code. Thank you.